WTC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
With things as hot and humid as they are across Acadiana, it doesn't take much. Just get a little few showers and thunderstorms going, and that's what happened this evening. A little upper level wave moved over the area, and that produced a good bit of scattered activity, continuing all the way through about 9 o'clock. Down in Youngsville, getting some decent downpours with a good bit of thunder and lightning. Also over towards the Crowley, you saw some decent rains. There's also produced some beautiful sunsets with some nice yellows and oranges on those thunder clouds as they continued into the evening. But now that's all faded, and it's just going to give way to more heat and humidity, not only tomorrow but also into the weekend. A heat advisory has already been up for all of Acadiana for tomorrow afternoon from noon until 6 p.m. That's when we're expecting those triple-digit heat indices. Some may be getting as high as 105 to 109. So if you do have to be outside tomorrow in that extreme heat and humidity, make sure you are drinking plenty of water, staying hydrated, and taking breaks when needed and trying to get into the shade so you're not in the full effect of that sun, because it is going to be awful brutal. We're going up highs in the mid-90s tomorrow afternoon, and I wouldn't be surprised if we have more heat advisories into the weekend. You can see those scattered showers and storms that we had developed right along the I-10 corridor this evening. Now all that activity has faded, and we're just looking at mostly clear skies, and that's how it will be through the rest of this evening, with near steady temperatures holding right around the upper 70s. We wake up to dry conditions tomorrow, but like today, it's hard to completely rule out a shower as we move into these deep summer months of August. So still keeping a 10-20% chance for a few isolated showers, maybe getting going with that heating of the day, but it does look like maybe a few more of us miss out on the rain tomorrow. Maybe even continues into the evening, as we could have some more upper level disturbances move in from the north and northeast, but it looks like that stays more off to our east over in the Mississippi, but still something we'll be watching. Similar story for our Saturday. Lots of heat and humidity, maybe one or two stray showers, but I do think the better chance for showers and storms stays just off to our east. But if you have some plans down towards New Orleans this weekend, you might have a little better chance of getting wet with some of those scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms. But the big story the next couple days is all about the heat and humidity. We'll be starting off with feel-like temperatures right around the upper 70s to lower 80s tomorrow mornings, but quickly, this is 11 o'clock in the morning, so already by lunchtime we're talking triple-digit heat indices, and then during the afternoon we could see those get as high as anywhere from 104 to 108 across just about all of Acadiana. So it is going to be another scorcher across the region, so take those precautions if you do work outside. Also, make sure you're taking care of your pets. Make sure they have plenty of water to drink if they're hanging outside in this heat, because you can see triple digits stick with us all the way through 7 p.m. So we're looking at 8-9 hours of triple-digit heat indices across much of Acadiana tomorrow, eventually getting down into the upper 70s by Saturday morning, but quickly we get back into those high numbers by Saturday afternoon. So a couple very hot and humid days are in store for us. But in the meantime, we'll just be a very warm and muggy night. Still have to have that AC going as we'll only get down to 78 for the overnight low of clear skies, and then just more heat and humidity for our Friday. 94 is what I'll officially go for the high, but again, it's all about that feel like 105 to 109, heat advisory in effect, and rain chances on the lower side, so not much relief from that. I think a lot of sunshine for tomorrow, and that looks to be the story into the weekend. But if you're looking for something to do this weekend, it might be a great opportunity to get out, stay up a little late, and catch the Perseids meteor shower. Again, peak time to see this is very early morning, 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. You need to get away from those city lights to be able to really see them, and make sure you remember the bug spray, as we've had all that shower. So there's a lot of moisture on the ground, so a lot of breeding grounds for that. And you can maybe see anywhere from 10 to 20. Now it's going to peak Monday into Tuesday morning, but the problem with that, that's the full moon. So if you get out there earlier, maybe tomorrow night or Saturday, that might give you the better chance of seeing at least maybe the 10 to 20 per hour without that light pollution from the moon. But here's a look at your 5-day forecast. More heat for the weekend, maybe a little better rain chance by Sunday, but still very minimum. I think you have a good chance to get out there and enjoy the pool weather this weekend. Heading into next week, we continue to have very high heat and humidity. Eventually, though, as we push into the second half of the work week, it does look like some disturbances try to work a little closer to us, so that might increase the rain chances and drop temperatures down a little bit. But whew, that August heat, it's really on right now.
There's not too much relief, maybe a little bit, but
unless you jump in the pool,
relative.
that's about all you can do.
Thanks,
Thanks, Eric.